Okay, okay. Are we ready? Are we ready?
Yeah,
It's so annoying. Like, I
yeah,
swear to God. It's just so Are you fucking kidding me? What is wrong with me today? I hate things like this. Genuinely. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? I hate this genuinely. I swear to God. What is wrong with me today? I hate things like this. Genuinely. What is wrong with me today? It's so genuinely. It's so annoying. Are you kidding me?